my experience day 3, I started to notice that there was an increased ability to sleep through the night. Day 4 of the product, it's a Sunday evening, we have all the kids over for dinner, and I am pretty much totally wired. And I don't mean in a hyperactive sense, but I mean in a total engaged, focused activity with all the kids around dinner. Now, we've got 8 children, 7 girls and a boy, but more specific than that, we have 18 grandchildren. And those grandchildren are all within a close proximity of our home, and we're constantly interacting with them. And they're little power plants of energy. And there were times that I would have to take a break, actually, to go kind of regain some energy to work with that family. And now, so what I'm dealing with now is that I've got energy to participate in every single one of their activities, including evening runs, which I haven't done in years. I am totally confident in the science of this company and what we've brought to the market with all the collaborations of the people that we're working with, that this product truly is going to be a massive business builder for everyone that decides to get involved with us as a company.